Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create subtasks in your tables on Airtable. So let's get right into it. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to add a long text field. As you can see here, if I edit it, it's a long text field with rich formatting, just like so, and we're going to keep it like that. Now you can do this like this, or you can create just another field with a linked list. It really doesn't matter. Now you can manually enter your subtasks here if you want, and you can also add this these parentheses here to add subtasks like this, just like so. And now you can check the subtask off if you want to. Now you can do that, or you can create another table, or I'm going to create another table, start from scratch, and I'm name it subtasks. And what should each record be called? You can name it a subtask, why not? And now we're gonna add a name, which is subtask 1, subtask 2, subtask 3, and we're also gonna add a new field for a checkbox, and I'm just gonna create the field, and I'm gonna delete these other ones since we won't need it. So let's just do it like that, and as you can see, you can check them off just like this. But now you can also create a subtasks field over here, but we're going to edit it and we're going to create a link to another record. In this case, I'll link it to subtasks. Allow linking to multiple records can be checked on. You can limit record selection to view if you want to, and filter record selection by a condition. I won't be doing any of that, and I'll just click save. And as you can see, you can pick and choose which lookup fields you want. And then you can select the name and the checkbox, and then add the two fields. And as you can see, if I add a subtask here, it will just write the name and it'll make a checkbox over here. So now if I change it over here, just like this, as you can see, the check mark appears here, and that's one of the ways in which you can add a subtask. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.